Ivory, what are you doing? Oh, it's hot, isn't it, baby? Yeah. It's hot. Hmm. Yeah, I know. It's hot, hot. Poor girls. What are you doing over there, buddy? Wolfie. Wolfie, what are you doing, buddy? Hmm? Hmm? The opening. It's hot, huh? Poor babies. My poor big boy. Oh, pff. You just laid in all their pool and then my head has. I need to get you a fan. That's what mommy needs to do. For you especially, because you're thicker furred than the rest. That night needs to hurry up and get here. That don't bother you in the least bit, huh? What'd you eat? You're eating leaves.